Oh yeah, making this video without a hat on was a very poor idea. Very poor idea. Hey guys, I'm Annie. Welcome back to the channel. So today is Saturday and it is January 18th. And the temperature this morning when I left for my first shift at 4 a.m. was 0 degrees. So right now we're probably rocking, what is it, about 7 degrees right now. 7 degrees. It's actually really nice out because there's no wind whatsoever. And, today we're going to do something kind of fun. The restaurant that I cook at, the Covered Bridge Farm Table, you guys have seen them on this channel 100 times, ordered some fresh lobsters in, and when fresh lobsters come in, live lobsters, they are usually packed in seaweed. So we've got all this lovely seaweed here. I don't know if this is really seaweed or kelp. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Come and smell this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it smells amazing. So I wanted to see what the reaction would be to all the animals and see what each animal would do when we presented them with some seaweed. So we're going to go do that right now. All right, hey guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. Throw some seaweed down and we'll see what the chickens and turkeys do first. Okay, go guys. Turkeys are always very inquisitive. They're eyeballing it. That was less than spectacular. Oh, chicken? Yeah, give it a little bread. Oh, she pecked at the seaweed by mistake because there was bread. Yeah, they don't care about it. All right. Y'all don't really like it? Let's go try the next animal. Let's go try the pigs next and see what they do. Now, our working theory this morning was that this has some salt and minerals in it that these guys probably don't get. Look at you! Look at you, bunkins! All right, so let's see. Hi, guys! All right, let's give you guys a little seaweed. Are we eating it? Well, we're definitely smelling it. Oh, they're eating it. Oh, yeah, the pigs really like it. Oh, you like it? Do you like it? All right. Cool. Give a little more there. Babies, you guys want to try some seaweed? No, they don't like it as much. Susu, you want some? There's some right there. There's some right there. Hi. Hi. So it seems like the pigs are enjoying the seaweed. Not all of them like it, but they are eating it for sure. I don't have anything in here. Oh my. It's not an actual pig bucket. Oh, jeez. All right, so next up, we're going to try the cows. Let's go see if the cows like seaweed. Barry, you want to try some seaweeds? All right, I got seaweed straight from the ocean. It smells so good. What is that? Wait, you gotta try it. Barry, try it. Oh, Barry likes it, I think. And Barry is eating it. Barry, do you like that seaweeds? Well, isn't that cool? Alright, looks like she doesn't really like it that much, but she did try it. You guys try a little seaweed? Shelby, what's this? You want to lick on something? What's that? She never smelled anything like that before. All right. Sam, you want to try some? What is it? Suela, do you like it? Nope. What about the donkers? Okay. Oh, no, thank you. The donkeys are actually offended by it. They did not like it. They ran away. Kind of funny. Huh. So Barry ate a bunch of it. Yeah, Jordan, want to try some? Jordan. Oh, you're doing something, I see. Alright, well, it looks like no goats, one cow. The pigs enjoyed it. So we're gonna go ahead and throw Seaweed into the pig bucket. Chiabella, wanna try some? It smells so funny. It just smells so funny. Alright, there's some extra peppers and stuff in there for them to eat in case they want some. Yeah, Seaweed was a no-go for y'all, huh? I'll leave some of this here. Give some of this to the pigs. You guys are just eating a big old pile of hay. That was a kind of fun experiment. I mean, really, when would you think that these guys would ever really get to experience seaweed? Suppose there are coastal communities where cows can be on the beach and get some seaweed and kelp and things that they need, which is really neat. Oh. You don't really like it that much. You tasted it though. They tasted it. Look at Susu over there in her housey. So cute. Hi, baby. Hi, baby Sue. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us on this beautiful Saturday to see our little experimental video, whether or not my animals would like seaweed. It was kind of a wash. I bet though, and maybe we should try to figure this out, that if we put the seaweed out and let it dry, that it might actually be more palatable for them a little ways down the road. The same way that I probably wouldn't like fresh seaweed the way that I like a nori wrapper around sushi or something like that. So yeah, maybe we'll try that experiment. We get some more lobsters in. I'll go ahead and dry some seaweed and we will do an update and see if the animals like it when it's dried. So if you guys haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And as always, have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, guys.